see your long guns.
I got water bottles. I got sunglasses and hats.
You got sunglasses, and you got sunglasses for your son.
Sunglasses for my son. Who's my son?
I am.
You are. Who's my daughter?
Taze.
Good. And who's my wife?
Mommy.
Correct. And who's my cousin?
Cousin you.
My cousin's Lou. Who's my other cousin?
Other you.
My cousin Lou, and my cousin Jerica. Jerica's my cousin.
No.
Yeah, she is.
No, Uncle you.
Jerica is my cousin. And your Uncle Lou is my cousin as well. I have lots of cousins, actually. I also have my cousin Sean, and my cousin Megan, and my cousin Janae, and my cousin Julie, and my cousin Jeremy, and my cousin Jackie, and my cousin Shelly, and my cousin Philip.
And when you kids and your kids, you should play with all you.
I play with my cousins.
Yeah, you.
I love to play with my cousins.
And I play with my own cousins. And I play with my own cousins.
I play with my cousins, and I play with my kids.
And I play with Jack. And I play with Jack.
Jack is your cousin, and you play with him.
Oh, them are my cousins. Because they're my own.
They are all your cousins, cousins, cousins.
You're mine. And you're not yours. They're just mine. But you're not yours.
You. Cousins. You got so many cousins. I got so many cousins.
I got so many cousins.
And you got so many cousins. You got all the thousands of cousins. Let's see. Okay, you're gonna stay in the car real quick because I'm just gonna go in and get a ball, buy a ball for Teddy or for a Nero dog. Okay. So I'm gonna go get a ball for Nero. You guys are gonna hang out here for just a little bit. All right. Okay, Joy. Okay. Good. Good talk.